This video I will explain what is zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is a way to plan your money so that every single rupee or dollar has a purpose. At the end of your plan, your income minus expenses should equal to zero. This doesn't mean you have no money. It means you have told your money where to go. Now we will see what is zero-based budgeting. In zero-based budgeting, you start your budget from zero each month. You look at your income and plan how to spend, save, or give away every part of it. This helps you to stay in control of your money and avoid wasteful spending. Why we have to use zero-based budgeting? It helps you to track every rupee or dollar. It shows you where your money is going. It makes sure nothing is left unplanned. It helps you to save more and reduce debt. Step 1 is know your monthly income. Write down how much money you will earn this month. This includes salary, freelance work, pension, and any other income. For example, if you earn 30,000 per month, then that is your total income. Step 2 is list all your expenses. Make a list of everything you need to spend money on, which includes rent or home loan, electricity, water and other bills, groceries, transport, medical or insurance, phone and internet, school fees or tuition, debt payments, savings, entertainment or fun. Step 3 is assign money to each expense. You have to decide how much to spend on each item. You have to be realistic. You have to start with needs, which is important things, before moving to wants, which is less important things. Step 4 is make sure your total expenses equal to your income. Add all the amounts you assign to each expense. Make sure the total expenses equal to your income. Income minus expenses should be zero. If your total expenses more than your income, then reduce some expenses. If the expenses less than your income, then assign the leftover money to savings or debt repayment. Step 5 is track and adjust. Throughout the month, track what you actually spent. If needed, adjust some categories, but keep the total amount the same. Here you can see simple example. Suppose say your monthly income is 30,000 rupees. And here you can see for each category the amount is assigned. Finally, the total expenses should be equal to your monthly income. Here you can see every rupees has been assigned and nothing is left unused. Till now, whatever we have discussed, I have put together in this flowchart. The first step is income assessment. Start budgeting, then know your monthly income, then list all your income sources, then calculate total income. Next step is expense identification. List all the expenses, then identify essential expenses, then identify non-essential expenses. Next step is budget allocation. Assign money to each expense and prioritize needs over wants. Next step is expense income balancing. Add up all your expenses, compare expenses to income. If expenses greater than income, then reduce the expenses. If expenses less than income, then assign the leftover to saving or debt. Next step is ongoing tracking and adjustment. Track actual spending, adjust categories if needed, keep total budget the same. Now we will see the final tips. Review your budget every month and adjust when your income or expenses change. You have to be honest with yourself and stay disciplined. Over the time, this habit help you to save more, spend wisely, and reach financial goals. Zero based budgeting is like giving every rupee a job. You are the boss of your money, and this method help you to stay in control.